studying in Aksha Techno Degree Junior College. First, today topic is mollusca. General characters. Mollusca named by Aristotle. Mollusc means soft. The study of mollusca is called molluscology. The study of molluscan cell is called ethnology. These are economical importance. These are present in marine, terrestrial and freshwater habitat. These are cryptoblastic organisms. These are organ system or organisms. This body is made up of cell in CaCO3. These are external and internal cell or some are absent. Respiration, these are present. Circulation system is closed type. Reproduction, sexual and asexual. These are internal fertilization. Implant is present. Radial is used by cut-off of food. Respiration treatments in hemolysis. Examples: Mahalia, octopus, clams. Mollusca classification: Aplicopoda, Monoflacopoda, Polyflacopoda, Gasopoda, Cephalopoda, Scapopoda, Lexicopoda. Aplicopoda examples: Neophina, Dallidia. Monoflacopoda example: Heloderma. Polyflacopoda examples: Titan, Gasopoda, Phyla, Cephalopoda, Sepia, Larigo, octopus, Scapopoda, Euphyllium, Lexicopoda, Bivalve, Inuit.